Hi, this is Liberty from beforeandafters.com. I'm really excited to show you how I finished off my master closet. The first thing I did 6 years ago when we moved in was take off the door because it just hid that floor vent, and I really like it without the door. So you probably already saw how I added these wooden sections in the middle and put two poles to hold our clothes. I left the last one open so my long dresses and skirts could hang. But what I've done now that's all finished is install this light fixture, and I'm really happy how that turned out. I also moved it. You can kind of see where the other hole was, but I needed to move it over. And I covered a Grand Canyon picture in silver for now. I spray painted this wooden peg thing in silver to hold my scarves, and I'll show you a picture of that later. You can see this shelf I added up here over the door inside. And then the last thing I did was add contact paper to hide the pocket holes from screwing in the top to the vertical boards. And then I went ahead and put contact paper covering all the cleats so you can't see all the ugly screws holding them in. There's a planter hook I installed to hold that organizer, and it holds sheets and things like that. So there's my shoes, my husband's shoes. So I hope you've enjoyed this little tour of my closet, which is completely finished.